So yes, let's start. Let's start, guys. It's individual medical policy for employees. This is like EMED. Okay, this is a table of benefit. Table of benefit is something which tells you about all the benefits you are going to get in your insurance plan. See, this is something which not everybody tells you. So if you are understanding this much better, you are going to get everything clear in your head before buying anything. So this is a table of benefit of Orient Insurance E-Med plan, means medical policy for employees plan, which is about 589 dirhams. Okay, and the sum assured means the annual limit is about 1,50,000 AD. What is sum assured? What is annual limit? First of all, 1,50,000 AD. It means that you can have coverage only up to this amount. If you are going to have any bill more than this, it will be not covered. So 1,50,000, it's really great for employees in UAE. You're going to love it. Now we have this geographical scope coverage, means what things are going to be covered in your this policy, means what is the geography, right? So UAE will be covered, means you can have your medical bills cleared in this UAE, along with that in your home country from wherever you are going to come. That will be 100%. So home country coverage is applicable upon 100% of UAE UCR. Okay, only patient will be covered, means if you're going to your home country for any outpatient things, it won't be covered. So now I will be really telling you the difference between inpatient outpatient, because normally people don't understand. Those who are what do you say it as a layman, they don't understand these terms, so I am going to clear it out just right now. So here is another thing is written as network, that is PCP and RN3. So this is not like to science thing or like that. What is PCP? For outpatient, and RN3 for inpatient. First of all, what is outpatient? Outpatient means when you are going to your doctor for consultation or diagnostic or physiotherapy or for any other purpose other than hospitalization. That is known as PCP, or maybe known as outpatient. Okay, so you are going for outpatient, not for hospitalization. So everything other than hospitalization is covered under outpatient. Okay, so other than this, you have inpatient. Now what is inpatient? Inpatient means hospitalization, means the patient is in the hospital and every bill related to that will be covered under inpatient. So we have PCP network, you can see, and we have RN3. PCP network means all the list of clinics, pharmacy, and etc. thing other than hospital, right? Clinics, pharmacy, etc. All the list of the these things, they will be under the in a Excel sheet you are going to get, so that when you have any problem, when you want to go for consultation, diagnostic center or something like that, you can just simply see that list and you can went out to the nearest clinics, nearest consultation center. Okay, then this RN3 is the list of hospitals that you will be getting. You will see which hospital is nearest to that your area or your convenience. You can just go out there in your emergency case. So yeah, one of the most important thing is that in this insurance, which is your medical insurance, you are only going to get coverage that is restricted to clinics, means it will be restricted to clinics. You cannot go directly to hospital, right? Because this is basic insurance as in this is the minimalist insurance that persons are getting over there. 589 dirhams is nothing for annual. This is for 1 year, so this is like nothing. 589 is nothing, right? So moving ahead, this is your okay. So if you are having any kind of pre-existing disease or having any kind of what do you say as a disease like BP, sugar, or heart patient or something like that, then in that case that will be not covered strictly right from there. The it will be covered after 6 months. Okay, that means if you are taking insurance, then it will be covered after 6 months, any problem you have, and then you can renew it. While renewing in the next year, you won't have to wait for another 6 months. That will be already covered from the starting. See, this is like really easy, but this is basic. So obviously you're not going to get total benefit, but yeah, most of the benefit and better than other companies. So here you have 20%. Now see here written outpatient services. Now what is outpatient services? I already told you. Now what are the coverage in this? So here is 20% co-insurance in case of outpatient for clinics, health, hospitals. Theek, right, just as I told you, same thing. In outpatient, you have to understand what is 20% co-payment means. When you are going to meet any doctor for consultation, in case you are having fever, you are ill, you have any stomach problem or anything like that other than hospitalization, then in that case, if the bill comes about 1000, you have to pay 2000 only. 8000 will be covered by insurance company. So 20% is in that way. So co-payment means the amount, percentage co-payment means the amount which you are going to pay from your side, and the rest amount will be paid by the insurance company. Okay. Now we have laboratory tests, radiology, diagnostic, physiotherapy, treatment, etc. These all plus consultation of doctor, these all thing will be only 20% co-payment means you have to pay only 20% of the total bill. Moving ahead, we have this inpatient. Now I already told you inpatient क्या होता है. Inpatient मतलब जब आप hospitalize होते हो in case of emergency. So yes, you can go to the all hospital directly only in case of emergency. But in case of non-emergency, when you are good, when you can, we are only ill or normal thing or something like that, then in that case you can only go to clinics, because it is a restricted to clinics plan, which is the minimalist. Okay. Then in this case you have to see the RN3 list, आपको देखना पड़ेगा. Then you have to see which list, which hospital is nearest to you. You can go there. And what about bill? Again 20%. Whatever the bill will come in hospital, you have to pay only 20%. Okay, with the cap of 500 means, if you think like maximum you have to pay one time when you are going, maximum you have to pay is 500. Other than that, in a year, if maximum you have to pay 1000. If any bill amount come na, you even if it's like 1 lakh or 1,50,000 bill is coming, you don't have to pay more than 1000 in any case. Like it's like the most vulnerable case, right? Then moving ahead, this everything is like normal thing, everything, etc. Now we see medication means pharmacy. When you are going to buy medicine which is referred by your consultation doctor or your general physician, so in that case medicine limit will be 1500 dirhams, with co-payment along, which means that you can buy medicine up to 1500 dirhams, but in that 30% will be co-payable, means 30% will be paid by you. Okay. Then we have vaccine, immunization, everything will be provided by the company. Maternity is really important, right? See, maternity, in case if it is taken by any married woman or woman who is pregnant, in that case we will say 7000 will be covered normally. ठीक है. In maternity, if there is pregnancy or something like that, 7000 will be covered in normal delivery, but 10,000 in cesarean. Only in cesarean 10,000. Okay. Now we have this newborn, and then you have a newborn baby. So in that case, anything happens to a baby, 30 days will be coverage. Starting 30 days will be covered by the insurance company, like hepatitis B, any prenatal test or BCG, etc. of the child also, that is covered. Okay. Moving ahead, but yeah, in this case, any problem like hearing, vision or something like that, this is not covered. Dental not covered. Okay. In basic plan we don't cover such things. And yeah, so these all things you can just simply see on you can just read it. Every other thing, these all are everything, you can just read it. Just screenshot this document and you can read on your things, right? These are the list of things which is provided by the DHA, which is mandatory, but it's not needed to know, not that much. So yes, I already told you the whole document of this employee insurance. So in this, we provide in this basic insurance, we provide Aster hospitals, Access Hospital, even Health Hub, all these all kind of clinics, not hospital, clinics. Okay, so Aster Clinic, Access Clinic, NMC Clinic, Health Hub Clinic, we provide everything. And this is the widest network in UAE which we are providing. So you can have easier access to your hospitals in case of emergency, in case of non-emergency, in case of normal, like that. So if you want to know more about plans, and if you want to even contact for buying any plan in this, like medical plan, general plan, life insurance plan, I am just going to drop my number below. You can just call me, but only for the insurance purpose, no other, right? I am going to only for insurance purpose. Okay, and other than this, I hope you really liked it, and we'll continue to do the same if we get more views on it. Thank you.